Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Motorola Razr 60. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to make sure that we check the volume during a call using sidebinds. So here we have the sidebinds. As you guys can see, we're going to press the first one. Now we are increasing the media volume, but if we click on three dots, here we will have the phone icon. Now the phone icon is our call volume, so we can easily just boost it all the way up. And once we boost it all the way up, what are we going to do is we're going to go to settings and make sure that our phone has Bluetooth turned off so we can rule out any connected devices. We're going to go over, and here in the settings we need to go to connected devices. Now go to connection preferences, and here we will have Bluetooth. Now what are we going to do here is disable it. It is disabled for me, so I'll enable it. Here we have our device name. We have an option to pair a new device. We're going to turn it off, and now the device name will disappear. So you want to make sure that this screen looks the same on your Motorola. And what are we going to do next is we're going to clean the earpiece with a soft brush. So right at the top here, you guys can see those little dots. I'm pretty sure you can see it on camera. Those little dots right at the top here, like the line, is basically our earpiece. So we want to make sure that we keep it clean because it's very important that it's not stuffed with dirt, dust, or anything else. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to try and call somebody from another app or just try another call. So if you use the phone app, you can try and of course use it again. Now, if you use it again, you can just select a number, for example, and it will try calling the number. Then somebody will answer, and you will see if there are some issues with the call itself. If there are, you can switch the apps from phone app, for example, to WhatsApp and etc. What are we going to do next is we're going to simply press the power button and volume up button at the same time. Let me do it again. Here we have the power, volume up. Now press them, and as you guys can see, we open up the our power menu. We're gonna click on restart, and we want to make sure that we wait for the restart. Now we are refreshing the entire system, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what are we going to do as a last resort is reset our network settings. So we're going to scroll down to settings. Once we're in the settings, we're simply going to scroll down until we see the system. Now here in the system, we go to reset options, and in the reset options, we click reset mobile network settings, click reset settings, click it again, and it should be done. You should have the confirmation on your screen, and that's basically it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.